Hey viewers, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're pronouncing one of the cricketer names that belongs to the world of sports. He is a famous cricketer with a net worth of $30 million. He appeared in more or less 524 matches so far. Well, how do we say his name correctly? We may pronounce it as Shahid Afridi, Shahid Afridi, Shahid Afridi, Shahid Afridi. Shahid Afridi, known for his aggressive playing style, holds several records. He has the fastest century in ODI cricket, 37 balls, the highest strike rate in ODI cricket history, and the most sixes in ODI cricket. Isn't it fascinating how breaking down a word can make it clearer? If you enjoyed learning about Shahid Afridi, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more educational content. Thanks for watching. Remember, knowledge is power. See you next time.